Diggy Ben.
I've been on too long, but the voice in my head keeps getting stronger, telling me I need to log back on and take myself to diggyben.com. I log on, but something goes wrong. Music starts and then I lose control. My whole room gets smaller and smaller, whilst Diggy Ben's screen gets taller and taller. And suddenly I'm on my PC screen. The voice asks me where the hell I've been. I don't know, maybe I'm dreaming. Beats too loud, can't hear me screaming. Can't get out, I can't get out. So I guess I might as well just get down. I turn around to the sound that plays, only to see Pearlers. Diggy Ben says, what? Here we go. Yeah. Diggy, what? Diggy, what? Diggy Ben.
Hi, my name is Diggy Ben. I am a computer man, standing on the desk all time. Click on me, I'm feeling fine. When I was a little boy, playing games like a toy. No one can do like I can. Be my friend, Diggy Ben. Think you are the VIP, so you couldn't stress with me. Just I thought you were polite, that was wrong, override. No one can do like I can. Be my friend, Diggy. We will never be dependent on the girls, Diggy Ben.
Now put your hands up for my man, giving all you can, Diggy Ben. Clap your hands, giving all you can, for my man, Diggy Ben. All the boys in the house, giving all you can, for my man, Diggy Ben. All the girls in the house, giving all you can. It's your man, Diggy Ben.
А у девчонок ветерок дует между ног, когда такой, как я, проходит.